eggs, brown sugar, flour, water. And guys, ganyan lang kalapot. Side ko muna to. Guys, i-slice naman natin tong plantain bananas. Yan guys, nasa inyo kung gaano ka nipis ang inyong gagawin. Prito na natin to. Oil.